I'm Joey Lancia, and welcome to the International Update. Today's main story, water in Nepal. Nepal is one of the most water-abundant countries in the world with its many rivers, lakes, and glaciers. Also, the summer months are a rainy season with an average of 55.2 inches every summer in the Kathmandu Valley. The humidity is about 75%, but in a way, it is also one of the world's least water-abundant countries. Due to massive amounts of pollution, very little water is actually consumable. The main source of water in Nepal is groundwater, which is distributed through taps and trucks. However, only 20% of groundwater is actually consumable. With more on this crisis, reporting from Kathmandu, Nepal, Livia.
Thanks, Joey. As you've already heard, only 20% of tap water here in Nepal is actually consumable. This is because the water is not treated, because Nepal is one of the poorest countries in the world. The greatest issue with water in Nepal is pollution. Industrial and domestic waste with discharge of untreated sewage. There's approximately 150 tons of waste dumped into the earth daily. Almost half of that is dumped into rivers. Due to the poor sewage systems and carelessness, 80% of groundwater is contaminated with E. coli bacteria.
So can you explain what the effects of E. coli bacteria are?
E. coli bacteria has many severe effects. Some of these include kidney failure, dysentery, typhoid, gastroenteritis, cholera, and bloody stool. Some symptoms of these diseases are dehydration, cramps, vomiting, fever, abdominal pain, and malaise. When going into kidney failure, a person would need dialysis and blood transfusions. This is a problem because 42% of the population in Nepal is living below the poverty line, and this would be hard for them to get access to these treatments. This means that many people are dying from this contaminated water. I'm Livia reporting from Kathmandu, Nepal. Back to you, Joey.
To solve this crisis, Nepal would have to improve their sewage system and their water distribution system. Also, if possible, tapping into glaciers can improve the amounts of consumable water. Already in Nepal, people are making large collecting stations to catch rainwater. The organization that is running these efforts are the Malamti Water Supply Project. The MWSP is considered to be the most viable long-term alternative to ease the chronic water shortage in the Kathmandu Valley. The project is designed to divert about 170 million liters per day of fresh water to the Kathmandu Valley from the Malamti River. The biggest thing is that the people in Nepal can do to save their country from this water crisis is to stop polluting their environment. Unfortunately, due to their poor economy, they don't have a way to improve this. Next week, The Rock running for president? I'm Joey Lancia, and thank you for watching the International Update.